what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got another brand new video. Stay tuned. Alright fam, what's going on? So today, I wanted to make a quick video today and basically just talk about what is going on with the Air Jordan 1. What is going on with the Air Jordan 1? The latest release of the Air Jordan 1 was these guys, right? I mean, I had made a video on these bad boys, the Air Jordan 1 Heritage, right? Now, personally, I really like this shoe right here. I think that the leather and everything else about the shoe, the quality, came out pretty damn good. It's a red, black, and white shoe. It's a Jordan 1. I know people aren't a huge fan of the color blocking, but other than that, really, what is wrong with this shoe? Now, just because the Heritage was the latest release, that doesn't mean that that's the reason for the downfall of the Air Jordan 1. No, the Air Jordan 1 has been on a slow decline ever since, I believe, these guys came out right here. The Air Jordan 1 Pollens, okay? These guys are still dead stock, you can see. Air Jordan 1 Pollens. And to be honest, the quality on this shoe, as far as the black, inlets of leather right here, pretty decent. Now the yellow is a little bit more stiff. That yellow material is a little bit stiffer leather, but overall, man, this is a clean colorway. Now, granted, I know that the Air Jordan 1 yellow toes are coming out in July, I believe, or August, I forget what date. But, you know, these obviously released last year. It was a whole year from that release. Nobody knew about the yellow toes. It's not like people were waiting for those as opposed to these guys right here. But ever since this Air Jordan 1, the price on the resale market, which, hey, I'm not really complaining, because if you're just here to buy and wear your shoes, it's a great thing. But as far as the resale on the Air Jordan 1s, ever since this shoe has slowly been on a decline. Now, after the Pollen Air Jordan 1s, next up we have the Bordeaux Air Jordan 1s. Now, this colorway right here is a very simple, very clean colorway. I believe this is the same exact colorway, just this has, that Bordeaux leather on there, as opposed to the Japans, which I'll be referencing when it comes to this shoe, was, I believe, a suede or nubuck with that bluish, color, whether it was suede or nubuck, I'm not sure. But then you have these guys, and these guys also, you could have got before the release for either retail or just a little bit above retail. Now, these guys, okay, I didn't originally hit when I had got these things. I got it off of a Shoe Palace restock, so I was able to actually get these things for retail. But man, I mean, what is wrong with this shoe? It's basically like a maroon or that Bordeaux color, and I understand this is